Hey guys, it's me, Amy. I'm gonna be showing you how to do slime with nail polish or red nail polish. And so let's start. First, we're gonna need a bowl, plastic bowl, and some glue, and water. Oh my gosh. And nail polish. Oh my gosh. And some glitter too. And some Tide. And there, that's it. So let's start. Are you already started? Because I messed up. Okay, so that's how it is. And it's so satisfying. It's okay. Look. That's cool. And so I'm going to be mixing. Oh, this turns so dry. Okay, I have a bad feeling this is going to turn out so bad. This is not even red. Oh my god. This is not even red at all. I need like a little bit of more red. Go so deep in. Okay. Whew. Okay. That's so satisfying. Look at that, guys. That's satisfying. Look. You see how it's going real fast? Okay then. Wait, I'm turning my slime into red. Oh my gosh. I think I added too much now. This is not even turning red. Fine. Okay, so that's perfect. Oh my gosh! I used a little bit. Okay, now let's add some glitter. Sorry about that. Okay, I hope this doesn't explode everywhere. Hey, oh, that didn't look so bad. Okay, that's enough for glitter. I'm gonna actually add both of them. Oh my gosh, I put this backwards. Okay, I'm actually gonna put this one on. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Now I'm gonna add some Tide. Oh my gosh, I did actually add Tide. Now I have a blue. So I added some Tide. Can you do that? Oh my gosh. So I added glue and water. And when I added the nail polish and the glitter, I put some water in. And it's turning out so pretty, like it's forming. Can you show you that? It's a pretty word, right? And I have an extra favorite. I have a lot of extra, actually. Just mix that. Okay. This is actually sticky, so I would not put this. So, some. Here.
It's cold.
No, it's not. I'm warm here. What? Just two. Then tomorrow I'm gonna do more. What are you trying to look? Me too. Get some chips, Mom. Okay, so this is actually pretty sticky. No. No. Don't fall on me. Okay. Oh my. Got it up. Oh my god. This is actually a pretty good time. Okay, so I have been not talking to the YouTube side. Just keep forgetting. So I'm adding more Tide. Mom, did you see my bread cup of my money? Yeah? Did you see my red cup of the money? Oh, it's up there, where the money bucket is. So the color is actually, it's actually pure. It doesn't turn out so red, but it's still pure. Okay, let me show you a satisfying thing. It's so fucking satisfying. Okay, I'm adding this. Okay. Oh. Show you. Turn it around. Okay. Sorry. I'm embarrassed myself. I don't know. Yeah. Slime fails. Oh my god. As you can tell, it's gonna be hard tomorrow because it's nail polish and nail polish. Very hard. Yeah. Okay, so this is the pretty slime. And yeah, so thanks for watching. And subscribe and hit that bell. And give this a thumbs up. And yeah. Bye. Wait. Gonna add yellow food color. Yeah, it's yellow. Green. And gonna add this too. Which does not work with the goddamn sheriff's department banging on my door, you understand? Yeah, no, I don't understand you because that's not your fucking door. No fucking good friend, buddy. Yes. You act like you're above that. You're in deeper than anybody, it seems like. No good for your mother, not for your villagers, not anybody. turn so pretty pink. Not kidding.
Mimi, put that nail polish away now.
I already did. Sorry about my mouth. Okay, so hi guys, thanks for watching, and subscribe, comment down below if you like this slime. Yeah, and I'm gonna be making more YouTube videos, so yeah, and subscribe, comment, like, hit that bell. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye guys. Oh my heart. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.